The New York Apartment Law Insider presents 5 Do's and Don'ts when a tenant denies access for repairs. If a rent-regulated tenant has filed a reduced service complaint with the DHCR, you'll need access to the tenant's apartment to investigate the complaint and make any needed repairs. If the tenant denies access, you must follow the DHCR's no access policy to avoid a rent cut or get the rent restored. To help you understand what to do, here are 5 do's and don'ts. 1. Specify access dates in letters. Make sure each of your 2 letters to the tenant sets a specific access date. If you don't set specific access dates in the letters, you could lose the right to get a no-access inspection. 2. Document efforts to gain access for repairs. Make sure you document all efforts to gain access to an apartment for repairs. This includes being able to show that you have already sent 2 letters to a tenant to arrange access. 3. Don't wait too long to notify DRA of access denial. The longer you wait, the greater the chance that the DRA will go ahead with its normal inspection of the tenant's apartment to check whether the complaint of conditions exist. 4. Get complaint dismissed if tenant denies access on inspection date. If the tenant doesn't let your repair workers into the apartment at the no access inspection the DRA schedules, point to that access denial to challenge the tenant's complaint or get the rent restored. 5. Be present and ready to make repairs on inspection date. Make sure you arrive at the no access inspection with the repair workers and tools you'll need to make repairs. For more information on this topic and other important topics, such as rent stabilization, rent control, building maintenance requirements, correction of code violations, and more, go to www.vendomerealestatemedia.com and click on New York Apartment Law Insider.